What's up guys, welcome back to another Glytch unboxing. So this is probably the biggest package that I have gotten, and there's going to be 3 tubs in here. I'm very excited to see them, and I'm going to actually do a quick sample of one of them. So let's see what I got in here. Alright, so the first tub that we've got is elf candy. There's elf candy right there. This is one of the Christmas seasonal flavors, the jelly bean flavor. I really wanted to try this one last year, but I never got a chance to, and now they are actually on sale now, and my discount code ASFIT will still give you 20% off of that discount. So, pick this up while it's low, won't last very long. Got dragon mead, or dragon fruit flavor. I'm really excited to try this flavor out because my first Glytch order that I ever got was limit test. Got it up there, was a limit test flavor, and there was a free sample packet in there as well, and that was their dragon sweat flavor, which was their dragon fruit flavor at the time. So I'm very happy that they brought this back and I can try it again. I remember it being really good, by the way. I really like dragon fruit, so let's see what it's like. For the third one, we've got the GLYTCHfam flavor. Now looking at it right now, it does just say apricot, but the website says peaches and apricot, so we're gonna have to give this one a taste here pretty soon so that we can see if it tastes like peaches and apricot or just apricot. Either way, I love that flavor, so I'm very excited to try it. And this flavor is very special just because this is Glytch's way of appreciating partners like myself. And so the way that they actually decorated this tub was to put the profile pictures of all of their partners on here. There's me right there. So thank you, Glytch, for this amazing flavor. And so I'm actually going to try it right now. It is a little bit later. I would not recommend trying or drinking energy this late in the night. It's just 8 o'clock at night. It's not even that late. But I'm still going to do only a half scoop. And with that, I have 8 ounces of water. So it's going to be a little bit more watered down. I might take a small sip here just. It does smell very much like apricot. I think I can smell a little bit of peach in there. We're not going to know until we try it out. The color is very similar to the MAK mango flavor, and so that is one that I'm actually really excited to mix with this one for a very tropical type of flavor profile, which is a favorite of mine. Just peach mango is one of my favorites. So it is pretty orange with maybe a little bit of pink. Oh yeah, smells good. Cheers. Really good, sweet, tropical-like flavor. It does actually taste very similar to MAK mango, just because I'm sure all those fruits are just very similar. But this is really good. So definitely expect more reviews for the other 2 flavors here. So here's what we got from the unboxing. I'm very excited for these flavors, and if you want to pick some of these up, then use code ASFIT for 20% off. GLYTCHfam flavor is a limited edition one, and then the jelly bean one is also going to be limited edition for the holidays, and it's on sale right now. But make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to this channel to see reviews for these other 2 flavors, as well as any mixes and fun combinations that you might want to see. And with that being said, have a great day. See you guys later.